Lyon has a really strong motorcycle ecosystem. You will find builders, parts manufacturers, designers, and a lot of passionate people all in the same region. My name is Clément.
KS Motorcycle Clément, bonjour.
I'm the executive director at KS Motorcycles, the Royal Enfield dealership in Lyon. The story starts last autumn when Royal Enfield announced the BKBO. We talked about it quickly with the team, and it was a great opportunity to build a bike that really reflects who we are. We reach out to people from Lyon motorcycle scene that we've known for a long time, like Bac and Bérenger Brakes, to see if they be interested in joining the adventure. Idea was a Brat Cafe project, a bike inspired by the bratstyle spirit, but mixed with some cafe racer elements. The goal was to highlight the bobber lines that are already part of the shotgun, while giving it more sporty and more radical silhouettes.
To design this bike and all other bike at Bac, we usually draw in 3D views to be sure everything we will do will be doable. The most important for us is to design bike we can build. For us that was to bringing KS ideas and bike ideas to life. At Bac France, we commercialize some accessories for motorcycles. So the parts we build here, we have to permit to our customers to be mounted on their bike. Good design and a good 3D design will go with a good part. This way of working permits to multiplicated and replicated the parts. So maybe if you want to buy this kit, we will be able to buy it. Making sure the design is perfect allows us to replicate this part again and again.
Lyon, it's all manufactured cities and we have a lot of industry here. Everybody just asks, so can I have this part or another part on my shotgun if I buy one? And we want to make the dream come true. The come true solution is to be able to replicate parts, sell parts, and make this model available everywhere in the world.
So Bac bring their expertise in design and manufacturing. Bérenger is a French brand known for producing very high-end braking system with the same precision and quality standard used in aviation. The goal wasn't just to build a one-off bike for the competition. The idea was also to develop real range of parts that will later allow other shotgun owners to transform their own bike.
The most important for this kind of project is to have a good team, good workers and good competence to achieve it with a perfect finish.
This project is more than just a belt.
Mais pour être sûr.
It's a showcase of the French talent and the Lyon industrial scene. Everyone brought their own know-how, and that creates a real collective dynamic. I think the build has gone well and the collaboration has been smooth. Working with different people and different schedules make timing a real challenge. It's been a great project, also a real balancing act. Right now we are at a pretty intense moment. There is about 1 week left and the bike is still not painted. So with 1 week to go, the bike looks like this. The bodywork is at the painter and we are just waiting.
On ne ferait pas tout autour.
Je pense qu'il faut pas l'arrêter, il va faire complet.
Sinon
Complet.
ça va être dégueulasse.
Ça va être dégueulasse. Moi pour comprendre, même là, je sais pas pourquoi ils l'ont arrêté.
Mais après, le problème, c'est que...
Unfortunately, you won't be able to see the final bike just yet.
Bah, en fait, je viens d'arrêter justement.
We managed to bring everything together just in time. The bike is finally complete. I think people are really going to like it. From the beginning, the goal was to build a motorcycle that reflects the quality and creativity on the Lyon motorcycle scene. I think the results really show that energy and that level of craftsmanship. We are very proud to be part of a competition at this level. Bringing this bike to the Bike Shed show and showing what we have built in Lyon means a lot to us.
Romagna terra di motori, cioè in Romagna prima si compra la motocicletta, dopo compriamo la culla.